Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a minute since I have did like a verbal talk with you guys. It has been a lot of vlogging, really just seeing a day in the life with me. We had went away for my daughter's and my husband's birthdays. So we went to a cabin. I hope you guys enjoyed those videos. I hope you took the time out to subscribe if you liked them. Give them a thumbs up if you liked them as well. Also, what else have I been doing? I have been decorating and trying to get the house ready for Christmas. I have a couple of trees. I'm going to show you guys the different things that I did on my trees, but that's not what this vlog is about today. I wanted to show you guys my Thanksgiving grocery haul, okay? The things that I have picked up for my Thanksgiving. I'm quite sure a lot of you ladies are out doing the same thing, getting ready for the holiday and preparing yourself for your friends and your family. So we're going to, without further ado, we're just going to jump right into this so you guys can see the things that I've got. Okay guys, this is what I got. We got some, okay, sorry the camera had died on us, but anyway, I just got some chicken broth. I got some candy canes to go on my tree. This peppermint bark is my mom's favorite, so I got that for her. Some butter, cornmeal, sugar, some salted pork, guys. I like to put that in my greens. Also, I have the chicken bouillon, basically cubes. These are for later on, guys. These are just some blueberry muffins. I got the brown sugar and things to go with my sweet potatoes and my sweet potato pie. I'm making a red velvet cake. I got the ingredients for my red velvet cake. This is some cinnamon, but that is some of the ingredients for my red velvet cake. Some buttermilk. Also, my husband want to try to inject this into our turkey, which will be our first time doing that with this. So we're going to see how that turn out. Also, this is my cream cheese to go for my icing. What is this over here? This is just some bell peppers, the celery. The salad is for tonight, guys. I am cooking some steaks, baked potatoes, and salad. Cornstarch, some stovetop, but I make my own dressing. My husband just was raised up on this stovetop, so he still like his little side dish of stovetop. Some ranch, and pay this no mind, guys. I'm having bad pains in my shoulder, so I got this stuff and a new heating pad. So that's about it. Oh, we got some Hawaiian dinner rolls. So basically, I will be cooking some dressing, potato salad, deviled eggs, greens, ham, turkey, baked beans. What else I'm missing? Am I missing something? Oh, my red velvet cake to go with my sweet potato pies. Macaroni and cheese. I forgot, yeah. Macaroni and cheese, guys. And of course the dressing. And that's going to be basically the menu for our Thanksgiving meal. Guys, look at my tree. That's one of my trees that are in the kitchen. And I just love it. But anyway, let me get this on the way. We're going to do a quick clean with me because I need to clean out this here fridge. This is just a log for my fireplace. So let's see what disaster you guys are finna see. It's not the worst, but as you can tell, I won't be able to put anything in here, and those items need to go in here to stay fresh. So let's just jump into this video. Here guys, I'm just getting the things out of the refrigerator first so I can get ready to wipe everything down and freshen everything up. don't know about you guys, but have you ever felt like once you move one thing, you uncover something else? So this is a harder task than what I thought it was going to be. I'm constantly wiping and scrubbing, and it just seems like it's going on forever and ever. Now I'm using my Mrs. Mare, the apple cider spray. It smells so good, so I decided to use it in my fridge to see if it was going to freshen it up, and it did. As I sprayed it in there and started to wipe, the refrigerator automatically started smelling very fresh. Guys, what is some of your favorite Thanksgiving dishes that you prepare for your family? Leave it down in the comment box down below. I would love to know your recipe, and then I will try to pick one of my subscribers' recipes so I can try that for my family. I thought that would be fun to try something new, something different. So if you guys would just put it down below, and I'm going to go and get the ingredients so that I can prepare the dish for my family as well. guys, I am wrapping it up, almost all finished with my kitchen. I enjoyed doing this video for you guys. I am getting ready to start my dinner. Thanks for watching. Until next video.